Hi guys, early morning, and I just thought I'd see how my tomatoes that I put in a box over here are doing. But one tip before you put them in a box to ripen them, before I reveal what magic is happening in this box. Somebody was complaining that, yeah, you put them in a box or a bag and they ripen. Well, the truth is you have to go through them and make sure that there is no rotten tomatoes in there before you can't just pile up your tomatoes that you emptied when you put them out of the tree and all of that stuff. You have to go through them every once in a while to make sure that they're not rotting. You can't just leave them and let them go. And before you put them in this box or bag, you can put them in a bag too and put them in a dark place. You make sure that there's no rottens in there. But here is the reveal. The tomatoes are starting to yellow, which means that is time to take them out and put them in a window, and then they will ripen all the way. They were this color, and now they are this color. And you can see on some of them, there's a little redness happening. So it does work. But you do have to be mindful of the rotten ones that may be in there that you took off your plant. Do not put in yucky tomatoes in your box. Go through them carefully and only put in good tomatoes that are clean in the box or bag, and then put that away. Then you won't end up with rotten ones in there. So that is my tip, my garden tip for today. A lot of you guys are at your end of the season with a lot of green tomatoes. Those don't have to go to waste. They don't have to become fried tomatoes. You can ripen them slowly in a dark room, in a box, or a bag. Just make sure you close that bag up so that no light gets in there. If you open, I keep mine in our utility closet, or some people keep them under the bed, but this is in a closet, and I've gone through them carefully. So remember that tip. You can do this, but they will rot if you have rotten ones in there, of course. God bless. You guys have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye.